Welcome to week 5 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in the bear market. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. It looks like the rally that we have been seeing over the last couple of weeks is slowing down just a little bit. And in today's video, we'll be buying even more crypto. As you guys know, I did take $10,000. I'm dividing it by 52 weeks, and I'll be investing almost $200 every single week for the entire year of 2023. And now let's go over to the computer screen so we can buy some more crypto. Alright, so now we are inside of the spreadsheet, and as you can see, we have already purchased some Polygon Matic, we have purchased some Cardano, and we have purchased Polkadot twice. And if you look at week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, you will see the prices that we have paid and how much money we have spent. Also, if you look on the top, you will see the budget and how much money we have left after every single purchase. And now we are on week 5 and we can spend $192.30. Again, we are going to be using iTrust Capital. With iTrust Capital, you are able to open up a crypto Roth IRA where you can invest in crypto tax-free. You can buy and sell as much as you want without creating a ton of taxable events. So I highly recommend iTrust Capital. As you can see, this is our portfolio value and it has been growing over time simply because we are buying while these coins are going higher and higher. And as you can see, these are our positions. We do have some Polkadot that is currently being staked. So in today's video, we will not be buying Polkadot, but we will be adding to our Polygon Matic position. The first week of this challenge, we ended up purchasing Polygon Matic at 87 cents. Now the price is $1.21. So it is up almost 30% since our initial purchase. But we will not be selling, and today we'll be buying some more Polygon Matic. I believe Polygon Matic is an awesome long-term play and I want to add it to my portfolio. So we are going to press buy and sell. Also, Polygon is down 2.85% today, which is pretty good. And we are going to enter in the amount of money, $192.30. So we'll be using the full amount of $192.30. We'll be buying Polygon Matic at $1.21 and some change. And this is the estimated amount. We will get about 150 something Polygon Matic. This is the fee. And now we are going to submit the market buy. We are going to confirm, and we should officially be owning even more Polygon Matic. Cha-ching, we bought some. And now our Polygon Matic position is even higher. So right now I only have $132.70 on my iTrust Capital. So next week I will be wasting this full amount, and then we might start buying on another platform, most likely Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or KuCoin. But I will definitely be adding even more money to this iTrust Capital account and buying even more crypto in this Roth IRA. I believe it provides an awesome advantage, especially if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term. And now our Polygon Matic position has gone from 226.67 Matic to 382.14 Polygon Matic. I have also entered in all the information for week 5, and now we only have $9,032.78 remaining for this challenge. One final thing, over the next couple of weeks, I will be adding a lot more riskier plays to this challenge. Probably some meme coins, some low cap gems, some new projects. I want to have that risk factor that could potentially make us a lot of money in the long term. Don't get me wrong, Polygon Matic is awesome. Cardano, Algorand, Polkadot, all of these are amazing, but they are all in the top 20, top 50 on CoinMarketCap. Having a couple of low cap gems that have a couple $1 million market cap or some meme coins can definitely add that boost in order for us to make even more money once the bull market returns. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. Not financial advice, do your own research, and see you in the next video. Peace out.